Okay, so you are trying to convince your parents for something. You want them to agree to whatever what it is that you're saying, and they are not listening to you. Hmm. Difficult situation. I do understand. I do understand the seriousness behind the situation, right? How does that make you feel? I do understand that. Okay, let's look at another side of the video. That how can you get it sorted? Okay, I'm with you on this. Don't worry. Okay, hi everyone. Hi. Okay, so I'm back with another video, and I thought I'll make something very light, because something which is very common in many households. And recently, I got a question from one of you that, "Ma'am, my parents are not agreeing to it." Okay, so. Well, I just thought I'll talk about it. I'll give you my point of view on it, my perspective about this, and maybe a quick solution that you can try to apply and see if it works, right? So, first of all, I want to tell you that I do understand. I do understand that what these these clashes, they happen, right? But the point is that you can just enter a deal, right? You can just deal over there, make a deal over there, make a deal with your parents, right? Because it cannot be a one way thing all the time. It's your parents do so much for you. You cannot have things from them all the time for doing absolutely nothing, right? So you can make a deal. First of all, sit and talk with to them. Okay, talk to them about whatever it is and why is it important to you. You need to first explain it to them that whatever you are asking for, it is actually important to you. It makes sense, and how it will impact you positively. Okay, so you need to really sit down and write the points of the conversation, that what is it that you will convince them for, and what will you say. Because if you're going for a conversation, for a communication, to make your part very strong, you have to have some solid points. So you parents must get convinced that whatever it is that you're asking for, that thing is very important for you. And second, then make a deal. Okay, now deal has to be equally balanced. It shouldn't be like, okay, I want a PlayStation, I'll just get up early in the morning for one day, right? No, that's not a deal at all. Okay, so and nobody, I will never agree to that. I'm sure your parents will also not agree to that, right? It can be like, okay, I'll get up early in the morning for maybe next 30 days, or I'll complete my homework on time for next 25 days. Take a like make a deal which is, for your side, should be heavy enough to balance the other side, right? So and also, I very strongly feel that when you start doing things this way, when you will grow up and you will know that everything that you want, it comes with a price. Okay, uh, right now, if your parents will keep giving you things very easily, you will get into that habit. Okay, I want to have that PlayStation, I want to have that bike, I want to have that mobile phone, I want to have that whatever, right? You will get into that mode, and then what will happen when you grow up? Well, you will want things easy, and when things don't come easy, which they don't, I'm telling you, right? I'm a grown up. They don't come easy. You have to work for them. So when you don't work for them and you want them easy, what happens? You feel discouraged, and you don't want to go after them. Okay, so this is a win-win situation for both sides, right? Your parents will be happy that you're actually talking to them, putting across your point, and why is it important, and then you're making a deal. You're not asking for something for nothing, right? And then this will shift your mindset that in the near future, or in the future, whenever I want something, I got to work for it. It doesn't come on its own. I always, right now also, and always will have to work for it, right? That is something which is very important. You must know it. Okay, so you have to pay a price. The price is actually your hard work to earn something. And still, if your parents do not agree to your uh, demand, well, then maybe you're trying to demand something which is something maybe that they cannot afford, or something which is not good for you. And trust me, if your parents are saying that it is not good for you, I know it will you'll feel a little disturbed, upset for some time, but it would be for your good. Well, I don't know, maybe you're not feeling very happy with that statement of mine, but then I gave you a better solution to follow. Even after that, if it doesn't work, then then of course your parents get to win, because they have lived life longer than you, they know more than you, and you know that they love you, and they love you more than you love yourself. You know that also, right? So whatever it is that they can do for you, they always do for you. So you cannot even question that, right? So for me, the parents win there, right? But then do try this out. Make Write your strong points of conversation, tell them why is it important for you, and then make a deal, follow the deal. So whatever it is that you want to have, earn it, not just have it. It's no fun in having it. The fun is in earning it, right? So when you earn something, you feel proud. You feel absolutely on cloud nine, that I got that thing because I did that, right? A lot of hard work. So, and trust me, you'll feel very happy. Okay, all right. Okay, that was a very quick video. I hope you liked it. I hope you'll follow the advice. I don't know how many of you are following the advice, but I'm giving free advice here. And yeah, if you think that this can help somebody who is in need, you can always share with your friends, and do subscribe and do comment. I love reading your comments. I cannot tell you how much I love reading your comments. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now. See you. Bye bye.